Hey pool owners, are you ready to take your pool experience to the next level? Whether you're hosting a summer party or just relaxing with family, having the right accessories can make all the difference. Whether you're a new pool owner or a seasoned pro, upgrading your pool with the right accessories can make all the difference. These additions not only enhance the functionality of your pool, but also elevate the overall enjoyment and convenience. Today, we're diving into the top 10 must-have pool accessories you need for an epic pool season. From safety essentials to fun gadgets, we've got you covered. Let's start with number 1, a pool cover. This is a fundamental accessory that every pool owner should have. A pool cover is essential for keeping your pool clean and safe from debris and unwanted visitors. It also helps in maintaining the water temperature and reducing evaporation, saving you money on water and heating costs. Number 2, a sturdy pool ladder. This is crucial for ensuring everyone can get in and out of the pool safely. A good pool ladder ensures easy and safe access for everyone, making it a must-have for any pool. Look for ladders with non-slip steps and handrails for added safety. Number 3, LED pool lights. These lights are not just for aesthetics. They also enhance safety during nighttime swims. LED pool lights are perfect for nighttime swims, creating a beautiful ambiance and extending your pool hours. They come in various colors and can be programmed for different lighting effects, adding a magical touch to your pool area. Number 4, an automatic pool cleaner. This gadget is a game changer for pool maintenance. An automatic pool cleaner keeps your pool spotless with minimal effort, so you can spend more time enjoying the water. It efficiently removes dirt, leaves, and other debris, ensuring your pool is always swim-ready. Number 5, a pool maintenance kit. This kit is indispensable for keeping your pool in top condition. A pool maintenance kit is essential for daily upkeep, ensuring your pool stays in top condition. It typically includes a skimmer, brush, vacuum, and water testing tools to help you maintain the perfect water balance. Number 6, a floating pool speaker. This accessory adds a whole new level of fun to your pool time. With a floating pool speaker, you can enjoy your favorite tunes while swimming, adding a fun and relaxing element to your pool time. Many models are waterproof and offer excellent sound quality, making them perfect for pool parties. Number 7, a pool thermometer. This simple tool is vital for maintaining a comfortable swimming environment. A pool thermometer helps you keep track of the water temperature, ensuring it's always comfortable for swimming. Whether you prefer a refreshing dip or a warmer soak, a thermometer helps you achieve the perfect temperature. Number 8, fun pool floats and toys. These are not just for kids. Adults can enjoy them too. Pool floats and toys are great for everyone, adding an extra layer of fun to your pool experience. From inflatable loungers to water games, these accessories can turn your pool into a mini water park. Number 9, a poolside storage box. This is essential for keeping your pool area organized. A poolside storage box helps keep your accessories organized and easily accessible, making your pool area neat and tidy. It's perfect for storing toys, cleaning supplies, and other pool essentials. And finally, number 10, a solar pool heater. This eco-friendly option is great for extending your swimming season. A solar pool heater extends your swimming season by keeping the water warm, allowing you to enjoy your pool for longer. It's an energy-efficient way to maintain a comfortable water temperature without increasing your utility bills. These accessories will transform your pool experience, making it more enjoyable and hassle-free. Investing in these items will not only enhance your pool's functionality, but also provide endless fun and relaxation. Don't forget to subscribe for more pool tips and tricks to make the most of your pool season. We have plenty of advice to help you keep your pool in perfect condition and maximize your enjoyment. Enjoy your upgraded pool season, and see you next time. With these must-have accessories, your pool will be the ultimate summer destination.